We're Trisha and Thomas Walker, and we've been hearing from friends and leaders in ministry that the past 2 years have been extremely strenuous on families, especially on marriage. They've been feeling like they've been in survival mode, where it's just been about kids, house, work, ministry. They've been feeling more like roommates than actually feeling like they have a flame in their marriage. They've been feeling more like it's just a tiny little spark. And we've talked about how it's not God's plan for us to just survive, but to thrive and have amazing, deep connection in our marriage.
Yeah, and I think as we've gone through the pandemic season, we've learned the importance of setting aside dedicated time to connect and go deeper in our relationship with each other. And the Lord put it on our heart to create a moment in time to host an intimate retreat where we're inviting you, your spouse, and 24 other couples to come to the San Francisco Bay Area, see the beautiful surroundings, and stay at a very nice hotel. But you know, Trish, it's not just about the scenery. It really is about inviting Holy Spirit to come to worship, to communion with the Father, and to spend time being equipped with tools that will allow us to deepen our connection, improve our communication, even while we're going through the trenches. You know, as I think about where we've been and where we are, the world's not going to get any easier. And what I do know, though, is that revival is enough to transform our marriages, our ministries, our businesses, and also the communities that we live in and that we serve. I also think about the next generation, right? Our children and the next generation of believers. And, you know, they need to see healthy relationships. It needs to be modeled in the home so that they have an opportunity to experience the light and to see a counter to all the darkness that's constantly hurled at them.
Yeah, so we want to invite you to Thrive 2023. Be there. This is your time. It will be February 2023, just after Valentine's Day. Make this your Valentine's gift to your spouse. Put it on your calendar. Come rest.
Reconnect.
Have fun. Learn great tools. Deepen your relationship with God and with each other.
And take your relationship further than you ever imagined.
Come thrive.
We'll see you there.